Everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video, I will show you how to fix FPS drop in League of Legends. So first, you want to head over to your search and type in Task Manager. Open it. Now head over to Details and press L for League of Legends. Search if there are any League of Legends. If there are, then just remove it, end the task. After that, press R and search for Riot Client. You just need to end the task, and there you go. After that, you just wanna close this and open your Riot client this time. So meanwhile, what you can do is go to your task manager again, and here in the processes, you can check which app is causing taking more memory. So as you can see, my Google Chrome is taking much memory plus OBS. So just close all of these, and in the startup apps, you wanna just close everything which is not needed. So if you don't need Xbox, Skype, and something like that, you just need to remove those apps. So here you just want to go to your profile and click on settings. Here click on League of Legends and click on repair. So hopefully these steps will resolve your problem of FPS dropping. So if you have any FPS boost up apps in your PC, then you wanna disable that too. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.